Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shama if you guys don't know already, and you guys know that I do makeup videos and some reviews and unboxing kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm so excited for this video. You have already read the title. This video is what about. Yeah, I was doing this makeup look. If you are interested in watching how I created this look, you have to wait maybe before this or after this video gonna come on my channel. And I just love this hair strand on my face. I don't do any hairstyle, but this one I'm totally loving it. I'm in love with this. So yes, do not stress this video. Stretch this video a lot. And this makeup look will be in my local language, which is Hindi. But if you guys are interested and if you want to watch more tutorial and things, do let me in the comment section. I will try to upload English subtitles, like English videos for the same also. But yes, first let's finish this video. So yeah, I received something really interesting. I was doing this makeup and my husband was like, Shama, did you order something? I'm like, no, I didn't order, but I received something. Yeah, something really interesting. It's from Love to Slay. You guys know, if you don't know, go and check my Instagram how freaking love I am with Love to Slay. Yes, what is Love to Slay is quickly I'll share here. I have already made so many videos on this. This is the partnership with Love to Slay, and I personally love this website. Okay, if you guys don't know, go and check Love to Slay on Instagram. You can check my previous video for that. So Love to Slay, basically it's a website where you can get products totally free. Totally means totally free. Basically what the concept they are having, like, kind of free trials or some, surveys. So many companies are there in the market nowadays, like who give you free trial. Suppose example, Amazon Prime, they give you 30 days trial. But if you are taking those 30 days trial through Love to Slay, first you are getting 30 days free trial from Amazon, plus you are getting approx $1,000 in your Slaybucks account, Love to Slay account. And those Slaybucks you can use to buy the stuff. This is the best thing. Now you guys will be like, okay, they will ask for card details or anything. No, a big no, they don't ask. This is the first website I've seen in my whole career. They don't ask for any card detail. No PayPal, no credit, no debit, nothing. Okay, what they just want, just finish your trials or survey or join some companies through Love to Slay, and they will give you when you will go onto the website. And if you're seeing any products, example, you are seeing any matte lipstick, it's suppose it's for $1,000. Okay, if you don't have $1,000, you go on the earn Slay bucks. Okay, it's very easy to use. Okay, when you go there, you will see so many things on the page. You can use some free trials. Okay, go for Grace subscription, some magazine subscription, or Amazon free trial, stuff like that. Go there, all the details will be there. Just click it, subscribe to the registered email ID, and in a day or so you will get the Slaybucks in your account. This is how I earn, and you guys won't believe this is my 7th product from Love to Slay. Yeah, let's open. It's very lengthy now, so let me open it and I'll be right back. I love the way they sent you the package. Initially I was like, okay, they are sending you things free of cost. It means there is something, here and there things, but actually no. And this is the stuff basically I was keeping my eyes on where since I started my makeup and everything. I know for so many of you guys this product will be like, oh, it's not new, or maybe it's not that good. But like an year back only I started doing makeup and stuff, and I'm collecting this stuff. So I want few products which are in hype and which are so much popular across the world. I want to have the starting version of that. I want to just see how they looks like and everything. So yes, now open it. So this is what I got. This is how they sent you the package, and it is Morphe 35p. Can you see my eyes on this? Wow, you guys, if you don't know, you have to know that I'm crazy for eyes, okay? And this is something Morphe was like, and on Slaybucks I got it for 2500 Slaybucks. This was the cheapest one on this site or on the Morphe website. Basically, I was like, let me have it in my hand. I want to see how the Morphe palette looks like, and I got chance to get it through Love to Slay. So thank you so much, Love to Slay, for this. And let me open it. And this is not the replica at all, guys. This is not the replica. Look. Wow. So pretty. Two options were there. The one is this dramatic looks, and the one was really neutral and bronze one. But I have so many palettes for bronze. I didn't have such kind of colors, and they attract me a lot. To be honest, I didn't even check this side. This side was like, I want this, I want this, I want this. So OMG. Once again, thank you so much, Love to Slay. And they have bronze, they have some shimmer shades, and they have some kind of glitter. Not exactly the glitter, but yeah, all the matte and glitter of the same shade they have. I don't want to waste it. I'm like, I'm the person who just love to buy makeup stuff, but when it comes to use it, no, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be finished soon, it will ruin. I'm like, but yeah, it's a makeup, that's why we buy. So let me swatches some. So these are the bronze color, and this is the universal color actually. Look at the pigmentation. Wow, it's so creamy, amazing. Let me try some matte one, okay, for you guys. These two, guys, the pigmentation is bomb, and you can feel the creaminess. This is the shimmer. This is the shimmer. This is the one which I use almost in my every makeup. Oh, wow. Wow. Like, they are good than the matte one, okay? Must say. Amazing, amazing. I'm not going to ruin it right now. I'm gonna do a first impression of this video. First ever palette from Morphe. I received it, and all credit goes to Love to Slay. So yes, it's amazing, it's really nice. The pigmentation I have already shown you guys. I'm gonna do a first impression video, like a proper makeup tutorial for this. But in this video, basically, I was like, I have to tell you guys how Love to Slay work. And if you want to check, go to the Instagram or on their website. Everything I will put in the description box, and I will give one code in the description box which you can use and get some bucks instantly, okay? And this is not like I'm going to get a lot of, but yes, the referral, more I will refer to you guys, I will get the same bucks in my account. So yes, this is how it works, and I completely loving it. So yes, this is all about this video. If you like it, what you have to do is like, share and subscribe, and go and subscribe to Love to Slay on YouTube. They upload such a good content. If you want to start makeup videos, or you want to apply some makeup on your skin, you want to learn something, you can go and check. And then Instagram, yes, everything I will put in the description box, so there will be no confusion. So it's all about this video, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy.